just a little video here. Let y'all see how I'm going on my beehive I'm making. I got screen wire at the top. I'm gonna leave this open right up here in the top. I'm in the south, so whenever it start get cool, all I gotta do is put a noodle on the inside. I gotta place some more wood on the inside, so I just put a noodle up there to close that up, and we'll be air free. It's all coming together. Those that make beehives, they understand all this trash in here. But it's coming along. I have to put the landing boards on and fill up these screw holes with some putty. Fill up the screw holes. Then I think I'll be good to go. I'm gonna put some metal sheeting on top of it. It'll look like a little house. Hope the bees be happy. Yeah, I gotta put them landing boards on. J through GS Farm here.